Before I get started with my speech, I, like Brian, would like to note that I, along with all of my peers wearing red ribbons today, stand in support of the 27-year fight for an Asian American Studies program at Williams College. Friends and classmates, we made it. It was never a sure thing, but we made it. The last 4 years may have left you weary and heartbroken. I'm certainly exhausted, but I guarantee you we are more resilient, more kind and wise for having gone through. And by God, we made it. There is a moment, I think, in every Williams student's time here when their world implodes. Sooner or later, this place sweeps away some of the bedrock upon which you built your identity, and your temple tumbles to the ground. We have to rebuild. Williams is a place of destruction and renewal, and none of us are immune. If you're not sure what I mean, then you're probably a frosh at first days. I want to share 3 lessons that I have gathered from my own personal implosions at Williams. 3 lessons on how to survive the apocalypse, be it a failed relationship, mental illness, paralyzing academic stress, all of which I have experienced here, or perhaps even a horde of bloodthirsty zombies, which thankfully I have not. This is my bootstrap guide to surviving the end of the world and how to rebuild. Survival tip number 1, be doggedly positive. Jesse Eisenberg would never have found love in Zombieland had he whiled away the hours moping about the collapse of civilization. We all understand our world and ourselves by telling stories. Find the storylines rooted in love of self and others, in auspicious beginnings and autonomy, and let these narratives drive you. Your life story can only have a happy ending if you believe you are worthy and capable of joy, so choose to believe doggedly. You have the power to make that choice. Survival tip number 2. You are as vast as the sky. Even if you're trapped in a concrete bunker for the nuclear winter, or, God forbid, trapped in your carrel working on that 10-pager, you are the heir to a vast emotional space. Your heart can hold a lot. It's okay to feel stressed, angry, and anguished, because feeling these emotions doesn't preclude you also feeling the good stuff: joy, peace, and connection. Survival tip number 3, lean in. Whatever life throws at you, sit with it. It turns out we can hide from our troubles, social and emotional, about as well as we can hide from the undead. We can't. The sooner you sit with that which haunts you, the sooner you can recognize its limited bounds and overcome. We all hurt sometimes, but we must lean into that pain, for our emotions are ultimately one of the most powerful resources we have available. At its heart, this is a speech about vulnerability. Vulnerability is one of the hardest, most beautiful, and most powerful expressions of self, trust, and love. In the words of a dear friend, it's good to be a little squishy. This is my call to action to all of you, and my parting word of advice. Try to be a little squishier, and watch out for zombies. Thank you.